Hello, is that Molly? Hello, Molly, it's Mark from Casty Cast. It's about your recent audition. I got your number from your agent, actually. It's a no. Yes. But we are doing feedback, if like. Yes? Okay. I've got kept clearing her throat while the other lines were read in. Does that help? I think it'd be hard not to notice, really, wouldn't it? And they record it as well, you know. Yes. What happened, Molly? Dairy. Yeah. No, no, I knew it because it was a morning audition, wasn't it? Yeah. I know, isn't it? It just feels like it's the only option. Just sort of buttery toast, milky cereal, yogurt. And then even when you go to Europe for a continental buffet, what are you faced with? Cheese. Cheese, yes. Yes. Oh, hold on. I've just thought. Molly, do you like omelettes? Yeah. Well, there you go then, because it's nice and filling, no dairy, and a bit of protein as well, isn't it? Yes. Oh, no, I'm glad. Yeah. Well, you take care, and we look forward to seeing you nice and clear next time. Okay. Okay, bye.